The ionic product Kw applies universally to any aqueous solution at a given temperature. Because the cleavage of the covalent OH bond is endothermic, Le Chatelier's principle strongly dictates that heating shifts the equilibrium forward, substantially increasing Kw. Since pKw equals log Kw, an increase in Kw mathematically leads to a decrease in pKw. Therefore, at 90 degrees Celsius, Kw 10 to the power minus 14, making statement C entirely incorrect. At standard 25 degrees Celsius, Kw equals 10 to the power minus 14, meaning H to the power plus equals 10 to the power minus 7 m. The answer is A, B, D.